Hello, Tutor Armando. My name is Cristian Castillo. I am 26 years old. I am from Colombia. I live with my wife in Madrid, Cundinamarca, and I have two dogs. I am logistics operator. I am studying industrial engineering, and this is my second academic period. My hobby is motorcycle riding. My favorite sport is soccer, and I don't know watch TV. My family is composed of: my mother is Doris Soto. She is 49 years old. She is a professional stylist. She is from Líbano, Tolima. My mother is very pretty. She is medium height. She is very friendly. Her eyes are brown and she has long blonde hair. My father is Francelides Castillo. He is 54 years old. He is an agriculturist. He is from Líbano, Tolima. He is very gentle and respectful. He is very tall and strong. His eyes are black. My sister is Catherine Soto. She is 30 years old. She is from Líbano, Tolima. She is a production operator. She is medium height. She is very serious. Her eyes are black and she has long black hair.